Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swaminathan SM. Next topic now I am going to share with this control system modeling units. So the topic 2 is called open loop and closed loop systems. So already the next video we will close the open loop and closed loop control system. So the last video we will discuss about the basic components of control system. I will discuss about the little bit touch in the open loop and closed loop system. So in this class, in this session, we will discuss about the previous class and again the what do you mean by control system, what are the definitions and the features and the requirements of control system and what are the types of control system, what is open loop control system and the practical examples and for the advantages, disadvantages of the open loop control systems. Following with this, we will discuss about the closed loop that is nothing but a feedback loop control system and the practical examples of the closed loop control system and the disadvantages, advantages and the comparison between the closed loop and the open loop control system. So first the control system. What do you mean by control system? So the number of elements that is combined together to form a system to produce the desired output, then the system is referred to as control system. So we can control the system based on the desired output that is given by desired input. So the system controls the output, that is called the control system. So each element that is connected to the system has its own effect of the output. So here the open loop control system and the closed control system example. So here left hand side the circuit is open loop control system and right hand side it is closed loop control system, that is RLC circuit model. So the definition and features. The definitions already we discussed about the system controls the output. The features mean it is maximum defined the mathematical relationship between the input and output. It is represented the linear proportional. That's why it is called linear control system. So if it is relation some non-linear means non-linear control system. So what do you mean by linear? Linear means that is called if you are given the input, the output will change. For example, V is equal to IR. If you are given the voltage, the current will be changed. So if you are increase the voltage, current is increased. If you are reducing the voltage, current is reduced. That is linear proportional. So the requirements of control system: accuracy, sensitivity, noise, stability. So stability is very important parameter. A bounded input signal and the output must be bounded. And the bandwidth and the speed oscillations. These are all the important requirements. So the types of control system: automatic and manual control system. The example, best example is car. Automatic means we just drive the car without using the gear, that is called automatic. Manual means we need to use the gear for the manual control system. So the open loop control system, the desired process response given to the controller and the controlled output or processed input given to the process. Again the process make the input will be the process and again the process output will come from the process. So that is called the open loop control system. So it controls the action that is totally independent of the output of the system. It is called the open loop control system. So the manual control system is also an open loop control system. So the process output is totally independent of the controlled action. So the practical examples, that is we will use the electrical hand dryer, automatic washing machine, bread toaster, automatic tea or coffee maker, time-based cloth dryer and the volume or stereo systems. That is called the practical examples. The disadvantages means that construction and design is very simple, economical and maintenance is easy and stable and the convenient to use as output is difficult to measure. So the disadvantage: inaccurate, unreliable, any change in output that may be corrected automatically. That is the disadvantages. So following with the activity, we will discuss about the feedback loop of the system. So again the control elements, the plant, the manipulated variable that is given to the controlled variable, again it is given to the feedback elements. So again it is given to the reference input. So based on the reference input set point, we will set plus or minus. This is called the feedback loop of the system. So R is the input signal, E is the error signal, and G is the forward path gain, and H is the feedback loop, and C is the output signal, and B is the, that is nothing but the feedback signal. So here the system gain is referred by 1 divided by 1 plus or minus GH. That is improvement in sensitivity, stability may be affected, and improve the speed of the response. So the error between the system input and output may be reduced. This is called the feedback loop of the system. Next, to the closed loop of the system, we will discuss controller, processor, and again given to the closed loop system. So the practical example, that is automatic electric iron, server voltage stabilizer, water level controller, missile launched auto tracker by radar, and air conditioner, that is AC, and the cooling system in car. These are all the practical examples. And again the closed loop system, that is advantages and disadvantages. Advantages means the bandwidth range is large, facilitates, that is automations, and the system is less affected by the noise. So again the disadvantages of the closed loop system: costly, complicate, and the maintenance, that is more maintenance required, and the feedback leads to the oscillatory response. Overall gain is reduced based on the feedback. Stability is also a major problem in the closed loop system. So the comparison, open loop and closed loop system, feedback absent, it's present, and the error detector is not present. Here it is present. Stable, unstable, easy to construct, construction is complicated, economical, costlier, and small bandwidth, high bandwidth, inaccurate, accurate, maintenance is less, more maintenance, it's unreliable and reliable. And the example is hand dryer, tea maker, and here the example servo motor stabilizer. That's all. So this is the open loop control system and closed loop control system. Thank you.